Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 14th of April 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So right now we have gold priced in Australian dollars, in euros, in British pounds and US dollars, slingshotting, breaking back out towards all-time record highs. Now this week we've now hit our profit target on silver over the last 24 hours, banking 530 points profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. We've seen over 20% move over the last 4 weeks since we built into our position on silver. We've also taken the opportunity this week with oil prices breaking out 15% so far this month to scale out of more profits here on crude oil. So given that we've banked a windfall amount of profit here with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club into the second quarter, what can we expect next? So a few points for you to bear in mind at the moment, given that we have seen such explosive moves to the upside for commodities to kick off the second quarter. What we're seeing a lot of right now is reallocation in portfolios over to gold, which in itself is fine, but you are essentially buying gold at the all-time record highs. If you're reallocating to the precious metals right now, you're buying at the top of the cycles. You are buying at levels where we're banking a windfall amount of profits. We've seen it from hedge funds, money managers. They've missed the entire move and they're FOMOing, buying at the very highest prices that we've ever seen gold priced in multiple currencies at the moment. It's the same with oil. After the OPEC cut, where we already had 13 positions built into Brent and WTI crude oil, where oil gapped over 580 points higher, on the Sunday open, we banked a windful amount of profit with our clients, 13% banked there, over 13,000 points profit. We've now seen hedge funds and money managers that bought right at the top the highest prices that we've seen for oil throughout 2023. Now the setup is definitely there for a pullback between now and the end of the month and as we move into May. So many of you may know, as the saying goes, sell in May and go away. May is notoriously a risk-off month for the markets. We've got the dollar index, which is currently sitting right at the lower end of the range. It's at the lowest level that it's been in 2023 so far. Sentiment is awful for the dollar index right now. However, if we were, for example, to get a bid from the 100 to 101 level from these zones, there is a lot of space for the dollar index to run up all the way back just towards the previous swing highs. Nothing too crazy here, just to come back up towards the previous swing highs, which then you're going to see metals and oil priced in dollars. They're going to tumble back down. There is a huge gap on oil to get filled that was created from the OPEC cut that we had just over a week and a half ago. And you've currently got metals that are trading back towards the all-time record highs, a third test for gold price in US dollars, back towards 2,050 to 2,070 US dollars per ounce, where you've got commercials, they're selling at one of the fastest rates in history into this rally, and you've got bullion banks as well, their third largest position registered on the COMEX2, given that the price is currently trading back towards all-time record highs. So for me, the current levels where we are right now, I'm seeing a lot of FOMO out there. I'm seeing a lot of buyers get in at much higher prices. It's not to say that we can't go higher, but we're at the Gold and Silver Club taking the opportunity to continue to bank windfall amount of profits, bank into strength here, as I can see the setup is definitely there for a rug pull between now and the end of the month, and as we move into a notoriously risk-off month for the month of May. And as always, there's massive opportunities to be capitalized on here. We've already started to build into some positions to offset this potential setup that we can see playing out between now and as we transition into the month of May. And again, this comes down to utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence, learning and understanding the real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity, the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly real-time data-driven cycles. Learn and understand the capital flows for commodities, extremely important. Further align that with the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the geopolitics, the key areas of liquidity that are targeted not only for you to enter your trades with precision, but to also exit your trades with precision, and then further align that as well with the intermarket correlations in the market, the ratios. Then you want to align that with the sentiment in the market. Often buying when there's panic in the market, when we are at extreme fear, buying on red days when the markets look awful tends to be some of the best buy opportunities that you can get when the traders out there are feeling very uncomfortable, buying into their positions, catching the lows. Often these can be some of the fantastic opportunities opportunities, as opposed to the warm and fuzzy feeling that you might get by FOMOing in, buying at the top of the move here, just to relieve the pressure from fear of missing out, only to then get rugged in the market, which we absolutely do not want for you. We want you to be banking a windfall amount of profit as well, alongside our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. And then finally, you want to be aware of how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, institutions, as well as the commercials and bullion banks are positioned in the market. This is all going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, join our professional mentorship program and learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.